want some?
Oh god, a Santa hat. Already have some. Ow. Okay. Okay, I was starting to hurt.
Yeah.
Okay, I was starting to hurt a bit. Aren't you beautiful? They're over. Okay guys, I fed it, I put it bird seeds all over the river and I think they're starting to smell or see it. Phew. I'm trying to get a lovely sight of those ducks. I believe those ducks are females. And I think that one in the middle was just scratching. Let's take a look at Exhibit B. Oh, now look at this. Oh, what do you know? Our little duck friends are here. Nature's just beautiful, don't you agree? You have a tree there, a pond or a liquid there, some grass there, but the one thing I hate